Am I ready? I think I'm ready. Alright. It's me, Joe Mapp. I'm your favorite photographer. Check my Instagram. It should be below. That's when you point down at something. You're supposed to do something. The camera is supposed to show it like right there. Boom. Instagram right there. Ill shots. Joe Mapp. That's me. I got a new toy. I got the Easy Lock Glow from Adorama. It's a 34-inch quick collapsible beauty dish in silver. Don't get the white, y'all. Get the silver, because the white gonna change colors. Got this thing right here. Comes in a little carrying case. Don't need the plastic. All right. So this is the bag it comes in. I guess you're gonna be like, hey, I'm a big time photographer. I got my equipment. Okay. All right. Let's see. It's actually a nice bag. All right. Let's see what we got in here. Grid. Need a grid. I don't have a table to put it on. This is the white stuff. This makes everything really soft. We're not gonna call it white stuff. One day I'm gonna know the real terminology, which I probably do know. Diffusers is what they are. These are the diffusers. Let's see what else we got. It's like Christmas. This is the dish. Usually you see this on the beauty dish. The light bounce into here, boom, come back into the umbrella, then off the umbrella, into a diffuser, into another diffuser, into the grid, and then it hits your subject. It's how you make it real soft. I'm not throwing this on it right now, I'll place that. Alright, so what you came here for? Think that's it in here? Oh yeah. Okay, here. There we go. Let's see. It's an umbrella. Will feel like an umbrella. Because you got the Bowens mount on that side. Alright. Okay. It does come out to an umbrella there. So it looks like you just push this. Yeah. There we go. That's nice. Okay. All right. Let me see. I had a Godox on the fans. All right, so this is what I had before. So this is all I needed, but just wasn't enough. So let's see. We'll compare the size. This one just boom, boom, boom. So that's what I had before. That's what I got now. Alright, they are almost the same size. This Godox is actually a little bit bigger. I don't know if you can see here. So this gave me pretty decent light. It was just a box. So this is 30 bucks. This one, 90. And you can see the Godox I have. One little diffuser in here. So, and I'll show you some pictures that this light did. One bag. You know I take pictures, you work with it. So this has a zipper here, so you can reach in. And I'm gonna show you guys something. This is how you reach in. So I was trying to figure out how to reach it, but you reach over here to the side, put your arm all the way through, and then now you can easy. I hear the bigger ones, this is a 34 inch, the bigger ones are hard to open, but I can do this with one hand. And of course I work out 6 days a week, so I have the strength. I don't work out 6 days a week. White things. The big white thing, the big diffuser here, that goes on the outside. I can tell with the Velcro on the side. I don't know who told me to do a video inside with a jacket on. Getting hot. Then you got the little diffuser, and it's double diffused here in the middle here. I used to get the hot spot on that Godox. Put it all together here. This video probably boring. It should have been like a pretty girl doing this. My wife should have did this video. Yeah. Got some kickback right there. Beauty dish. Don't let it fool you. It's a beauty dish, but it don't do magic.
What?
It don't do magic. It's a beauty dish, but that don't mean it's gonna turn you into a beauty. Okay. So has the first diffusion in. Now let's get to work on the second. It looks like the biggest bowl of cereal I've ever seen in my life. All right, we're all done. Look at that.
Looks great.
Looks great. You don't even know what it is.
It's a beauty dish.
It's a beauty. Okay, it's really a softbox or whatever you want to call it.
You said it's
Octobox.
a beauty dish.
It is a beauty dish, but it's an octobox.
With the beauty dish inside.
All right, so now let's see if I can close it with everything on. Yeah. Close this, and then you got this little part.
It's like a parachute, huh?
No. Yeah, you're right. Alright, got that in. That's nice, so let's see how fast I can get this set up for a shoot. I'm ready to shoot. Now, that's what I'm trying to figure out. How to do this while it's put together. Okay. Well, you can't see now the computer keeps on. Done. Boom. Grid. Let's put it on the grid.
It's a fishing net.
It's not a fishing net. You ain't gonna catch no fish with this thing. So what the grid does is You're taking a picture of someone with this beauty dish, and you're getting light on the ground, you're getting light on the background, you're getting light everywhere, but you really just want to have the light on the person's face. You put the grid on, and now the light just focuses more on where you're pointing it without making it ugly light. There you go. There go your grid.
Looks amazing.
This look like you a real photographer right here, don't it? All right, Godox S bracket 2. See if I can put this on here. Put it in front of a client.
What if you lay it down?
Let me get my. So with the AD200 with this, I definitely would use the head. I want to say Fresnel head, but I don't want to say the wrong thing. I say, this stupid dude. You don't know nothing about photography? I really don't.
Yes, you do.
I don't know nothing about none of this.
You're a pro.
AD200. Actually, 200 Pro, because I'm a pro.
That's right.
And this Pro, you can't stick this in the back with that on now. So first thing you need to do is put the AD200 inside of your S bracket first. Screw it down. And then, I guess you gotta do this carefully. Take this, line it up. Oh, I don't know how we would do that.
Wouldn't it be the same way?
This little piece. I think that's what I have to do. I have to go this way. Like this. Might be easier. That's the easier way to do it.
What about the light though?
Then take this. There we go.
You're a genius.
I'm done.
You done?
Mm-hmm.